So now let's see how we can work around with map block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with that, I'm going to go ahead in between two blocks right here, click on the plus button and then go ahead and type in map. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that there's the map plugin that you can go ahead and bring in right here. So now over here, you can go ahead and search for a location. Let's just go around and search for Yangon right here, just like this. And I can choose, let's say, for example, a particular location, and then you get the map right here. So over here, the map plugin right here is from Apple Maps, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and bring this up or down, as you can see right here, and then you can go ahead and change around, let's say for example into full width, or align it to the center as you want right here, and it'll show up accordingly as we preview the website. So you can see that I can go ahead and add in a marker right here and then change the location accordingly. So if I were to go around over here on the right hand side, you can see that the style is basic, but you can go for muted right here or go for satellite image itself as well, just like this, and you can go for terrain as well. So the marker right now is red in color, but I can go ahead and change the color of the marker according to how I like as well. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the zoom level right here, just by utilizing the sliders. You can enable and disable the labels as well, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can also scroll to zoom right here, just like this, and you get the option to actually adjust it. And you get the zoom in option over here as well, as you can see. You can also enable and disable the full screen option right here for the users as well. So now, as I integrated this map, let me just go ahead and press the save button right here. And once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that I can simply go ahead and wait. So let's just wait for it to save. And once it's done, I'm going to go around and view the post. And once that is done, you can simply scroll down and you can see the map right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and click and drag this out. And this is in a last view, as you can see. I get the full screen option as well, and as a viewer, you can see that they can access the map just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and access the map block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.